guys, mostly based off of lateral movement off of the slot. So our slot is here. We talked about how to get your follower to open up to the leader's right or to the leader's left, using our rib cage and our frame to be able to communicate rotation, which is different than asking my follower to hang out and do something like this, which we played with as well, yeah? Making sure not to hurt our follower's shoulder. So, leaders, if we go to their right, we do it on 3. We go 1, 2, we go through on 3. We talked about how you can do all the different barrel roll options with all the different hand options, which was fun. If you go to the leader's left, it's on 2. We step through on 2. And again, all the different hand holds, work and barrels, which was fun. Then we added our triple action. So we went 1, 2, 3, and 4. So remember, our inside feet are moving together here. We're going to rotate triple step 5 and 6. Then we did an and 7, sharp, look 8. And then we just ho-hum anchor until next week. Yes? So then we added grapevine options. So we worked on our grapevines a little bit. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then we can still add this little hook here with the sharp anchor ho-hum. And then we can do our barrel in between that at any point too. So depending on how much space you have to travel. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and boom, ba, ba, ba. Have class. Have fun.
Thank you guys for